Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create the map for Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum S10. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step to consider. First, proper setup. Charge the robot. Ensure your robot is fully charged before setting the mapping process. Then download the Mi Home app. Download and install the Mi Home official app on your smartphone. Then pair the robot. Pair your robot with the app following the on-screen instructions. In the second step, mapping process. Open the app, launch the Mi Home app and select your robot. Then start cleaning. Tap the start cleaning button. The robot will begin its cleaning cycle and simultaneously create a map of your home. Allow exploration. Ensure there is no obstacles in the robot's path to prevent interruptions during the mapping process. In the third step, review and save the map. Check the map. Once the robot has finished cleaning, you can view the created map in the Mi Home app. Save the map. If you are satisfied with the map, save it for future use. This will allow the robot to recognize your home layout and clean more efficiently. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.